FAP Director General, the Honorable Paulo Villaluna. We have faith in him. Kaya niya to.
Hello, magandang hapon. Actually, Direk Joey, hindi ako atat. Hindi ako ng pasensya sa lahat, medyo pinakabahan ako. Hindi ako sanay in front of the camera. So, okay, bago ako pumunta sa mandato ng bagong Film Academy of the Philippines, gusto ko lang pasalamatan ng balat at tugon ng pelikulang Pilipino, ang mga manggagawa. Gusto ko lang acknowledge lahat ng deals na nandito. Ang aktor, League of Filipino Actors. Ang Alliance of Blind Producers and Production Managers. Ang Assistant Directors and Production Managers Association of Motion Pictures. Ang Directors Guild of the Philippines. Ang Entertainment Producers of the Philippines. Alliance of Filipino Stunt Professionals. Filipino Film Editors. Filipino Screenwriters Guild. Filipino Society of Cinematographers. Guild of Assistant Directors and Script Supervisors. Kapisanan ng mga Assistant Directors sa Patalastas. Kapisanan ng mga Direktor ng Musika sa Pilipinas. Katipunan ng mga artista ng pelikulang Pilipino sa pelikula, internet at television. Ang lupon ng Filipino Cinematographo. Ang Motion Picture Audio Society of the Philippines. Ang Movie Producers and Distributors Association of the Philippines. Ang Production Designers Circle of the Philippines. Ang Philippine Independent Producers Group. Ang Screenwriters Motion Pictures Inc. Ang Production Designers Guild of the Philippines. Ang Soundspeak Philippines, Philippine Talent Guilds. Ang North Luzon Cinema Guild. At ang Chinoy Actors of the Philippines. Maraming salamat. Actually, baka magulat kayo bakit napakaraming guilds. Kasama ito sa prosesong gadaanan natin bilang industriya at kasama ito sa programa natin to streamline all the guilds. Although in fact, kung nalaman ng mga manggagawa na may bago ng Film Academy of the Philippines, magkakaroon na rin tayo ng guild for utility workers. Magkakaroon tayo ng guild para sa mga tent makers, yung mga nagtatayo ng mga tent natin. At importante na may representation lahat ng manggagawa, hindi yung mga sikat lang ng mga sektor. Okay, last year, nagkaroon ng pagkakataon ang pamahalaan na tumulong sa industriya at nakita nila na may chance para i-revitalize at i-revamp ang Film Academy of the Philippines. Okay, explain ko lang konti yung programa ng FAP at saka yung mga future plans. I just need to underline though na together with FGCP at MOAL Fund, yung mga programa namin at mandato minsan nagkakapareho. Ang maganda dito, sa unity namin tatlo ngayon, nag-uusap kami internally para hindi nagpapare-pareho yung aming mga programa. Okay, ito na. Later. Okay, anong revitalized Film Academy of the Philippines? Ang bagong Film Academy of the Philippines ay may mandato to create programs of capacity building, training, and assistance geared towards the professionalization of workers in the audiovisual industries and is directed to guide, assist, and steer representative industry guilds. Kasama na sa mandato ay to give due recognition to outstanding cinematic achievements with the end view of revitalizing and further promoting the Philippine film industry. Additionally, it has always been the tradition ng FAP ay authorized agency that will oversee the selection of the official entry sa Annual Academy Awards. Ito yung Oscars natin. Okay, guys, yung programang ilalahan namin at ipabahagi ko, hindi ko lang ito invento. Actually, the past 8 months, ito po ang ginawa natin. For the past 8 months, we have been working together with all the guilds and all the relevant stakeholders. Paano pa natin matutulungan ang industriya? At itong mga programang ito ay na-approve na ng DTI at BBM. Okay, we have 2 main programs. Ang Film Worker Development and Training and Protection Program at Film Awards and Recognition Program. Okay, oops. Back. Alam ko na yung hiling mo direct. Okay. Okay, unang-una, ang Guild Recognition and Support Program natin, we will identify and accredit legitimate guilds. Okay, we have to identify the guilds that truly represent the film workers. Aalamin natin kung sino yung active guilds talaga with active film workers. Ito yung kasama sa anin natin, responsibility natin. We are now using taxpayers' money. So we're going to give government support to actual active film workers. May streamlining criteria tayo binubuot to do that. It is important that they are accredited. Accreditation ensures that public and stakeholders that these guilds are legitimate and responsable. Magkakaroon tayo ng criteria system. Itong criteria system na ito, binubuo namin with all the guilds. Next. Pangalawa, support and guide accredited guilds. Guilds will have access to actual government support na financial. Okay, ang mga grants, ang mga guilds magkakaroon ng grants at saka subsidies. Ang mga guilds sa may mga programa, they will apply to FAP at bibigyan ng suporta ng gobyerno. Para sa mga bagong guilds naman, mag-subsidize tayo para tulungan itong mga bagong guilds. Apart from government support, ang medyo crucial element ng industry professionalization ay yung pag-standardize ng stakeholder agreed upon. 128 years of cinema, wala pa tayong code of ethics as an industry. Magkakaroon tayo ng code of ethics, magkakaroon tayo ng Magna Carta, where agreement between workers and producers. At pinaka-importante, magkakaroon tayo ng academy membership. Okay, this is in partnership with FDCP at saka Mobile Fund. Lahat ng mga film workers, magkakaroon tayo ng government ID. You will be accredited. But, ito nga, may application to, guys. You have to apply and then we will vet if you're an actual worker. Okay, we will be basing our database from FDCP, Mobile Fund, and all the active guilds. Mag-a-apply sila and we have a team who will actually vet kung totoo ka. And this is especially important for positions like casters. Uso ngayon sa Facebook, nagpapakast na lang. Hindi alam ng publiko kung totoo bang caster to. We will have a database of actual workers. Mga bagong producers, kukuha ng DOP, kukuha ng crew. Maalam ba ito mga to? We will have a database that will actually provide that information. Kasama sa Film Worker Development Training and Protection Program natin, magkakaroon tayo ng legal unit. Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon kayo ng legal representation. Unang-una, meron tayong grievance reporting. Ang film workers at producers, pwede sila mag-report ng mga violations. This is actually in partnership with DOLE. Alam natin na tumatakbo na ang Eddie Garcia Law. Okay, minsan hindi alam ng DOLE ang mga kalakaran ng pelikula. So actually, they pass on to us some of the grievances para we can arbitrate at saka mediate for them. Dispute resolution and internal film industry arbitration and mediation to settle professional disputes. Sana maiwasan yung mga Facebook na mga complaints. So you can actually complain online to FAP. Magkakaroon tayo ng legal help desk to offer initial consultations, advice on contracts, guidance sa mga employment rights natin lahat. Okay, part of our program talaga is the upskilling at training ng mga manggagawa. Ito ay magiging regular workshops in our hopefully new office. Ay, balik please. Okay, lalabas yung budget namin this last quarter. Ito naman ang mga programa na nakaplano na with the help of the guilds. Unang-una, magkakaroon tayo ng Stuntman Certification Workshop Series. Ito yung tipong vehicular riding, Krav Maga, horse riding, yung safety ng mga barel. For the first time, magkakaroon tayo ng certification program. Magkakaroon tayo ng Stuntman Safety Officer Training Workshop. Itong Safety Officer Training Workshop, hindi lang for stuntmen. Together with DOLE, gagawa kami ng programa. Alam naman natin minsan ang trabaho natin seasonal. You can actually be trained as a safety officer, so you can actually be hired as a safety officer for some shooting sets kung wala kayong trabaho. Magkakaroon tayo ng Gripology Workshop Series for shooting crew. Ito ay together with Lupon ng Pilipinong Sinematografo at ang magtuturo ay si Sir Larry Manda. Together with our suppliers, we will actually be certifying for the first time mga crew members natin. medyo iiwasan na natin yung mga wido lang na kinuha lang on the set, tapos meron tayong problema sa safety, may problema tayo sa cabling, may problema tayo sa actual ilaw. Magkakaroon tayo ng acting workshop for background actors, care of Philippine Talents Guild. Magkakaroon tayo ng development programs for actors, care of actor. Meron tayong nakaplano sa second quarter, Eric Morris acting workshop for category C actors, courtesy of Hino Bautista. Magkakaroon tayo ng Asian Next Wave Forum and training sa QC International Film Festival. This is actually the most prestigious film festival sa Southeast Asia. Ang plano namin ay dalhin dito si Sean Baker at si Bong Joon-ho to have master classes. Magkakaroon tayo ng directing master classes with DGPI, assistant director workshop with GAS, at ito, napaka-importante, looking forward into the future. We are actually investing in innovative technology. We are already in talks with post-production producers and houses. Magte-train tayo ng background generation. Ito na yung mga CGI. We need to train future editors talaga for that future cinema. We will be investing in software from pre-prod to post-production. If you guys are familiar with Studio Binder sa Hollywood, magkakaroon for the first time in Southeast Asia na Pilipinas ang magsisimula. Okay? It's called TAC. We are also investing in other innovative apps that bibigay namin for free to film workers. Medyo nahuhuli na tayo. We have assistant directors. When producers go here, marunong sila mag-magic app, ay mag-movie magic app, and all of this app. We will be investing and be giving it to all the workers for free. Siyempre, may mga kondisyones yun na kasama sa criteria natin. Balik, please. Okay, apart from real vision at trainings, medyo kailangan kasi may mindset change din tayo. Hindi lang craftsmanship yung train natin. We're actually starting already behavioral workshops. Ito yung mga sexual harassment classes, intimacy workshops, mga mental health workshops. We will be having that. In fact, kahit hindi pa na-release yung budget natin, nagsimula na tayo this year, nagkaroon tayo ng Safe Spaces Act and Intimacy Workshop with crew members. Ito yung mga crew natin. Tinuruan natin na ano ba yung sexual harassment on the set, yung mga pumipito, isang joke or sexual harassment and all of these things. Nagkaroon tayo ng role of the documentary filmmaker together with field docs. Nagkaroon ulit tayo ng Safe Spaces Act and Intimacy Workshop. At nagkaroon tayo ng eksena, combination of behavioral workshops on transgender identity and representation. At importante rin yung assistant directorship workshop for the LGBT community. And all these others. Okay. Part of your being a member, if you are familiar with Indian, Korean, and Hollywood industries, before you become a union member, may mga requirements. Kasama sa requirements nila, magkakaroon tayo ng Safe Spaces Act. Each and every one of you to become a member has to go through a 5-hour workshop on Safe Spaces Act. Each and every one of us, from director to the utility, ay kailangan dumaan din sa OSH Safe Shooting Workshops. Sa Hollywood, kahit si Martin Scorsese, marunong mag-first aid. Kasi to get a DGA card, kailangan dumaan sa 8 hours the first aid workshop. And we will be having that. Okay, at ito ang pinaka-importante. Magkakaroon tayo ng FAP Crew Care. Ito, to fulfill our mandate of welfare and professionalization, we will be partnering with Bold Fund actually. So if you become an academy member, automatically you will have these benefits. Magkakaroon ng continuing medication and maintenance meds. Magkakaroon ng medical aid for confinement 3 times a year. Surgical aid once a year and death aid if you become an academy member. At, guys, it's for free. But you have to apply to become an academy member. Okay, guys, ayusin ko lang yung academy membership is not a license. Okay, it is just a vetting and accreditation. We are part of a free market. Kumbaga, hindi ko kailangan ng license to work as a director. Okay, we are just professionalizing our industry. Next. Okay, ang second program namin ay ang Film Awards and Recognition Program. Meron tayong sub-program na Pinoy Oscar Pursuit. Kasi ang FAP ay mandated sa Academy Awards, kailangan namin strategize to enhance our chances sa annual Oscar Awards. For the past year, we have been studying yung data natin as Philippines, yung mga pinapadala natin, at saka other countries. We are actually offering some strategy lang to enhance our chances. We will have proper selection of films and drumbeat publicity early. Even before the selection, dapat yung FAP nakatingin na, minanalo ba sa Cannes, minanalo ba sa Venice, na 85% of Cannes and Venice winners, they actually become Oscar contenders. So that early pa lang, we should be supporting them already with publicity and all other government support na pwede. We will widen our selection beyond Best International Feature. Hindi ito alam ng industriya, pero may mga Oscar qualifying film festivals. Last year, meron tayong 2 short films na nanalo in 3 Oscar qualifying film festivals. Supportahan natin. We might get our first nomination there. Best documentary, we are hoping that yun is another opportunity for us to be nominated sa Oscars. We will strengthen our AMPAS in Hollywood relations. We will have an earlier selection process. We usually end up selecting September na. And the shortlisting ngayon ng Oscars ay December 15. So this early, actually, meron tayong Oscar Selection Committee. We're already working with AMPAS, and we're hoping to actually announce by August 20 yung ating Best International Feature nominee. And substantial financial support from the national government. I will not disclose the amount na ni-request namin from the proper agency, but it is very, very substantial. We're actually, gusto ko sana space kwento kung magkano, pero ang daming media. But it is a very substantial amount. We're not talking here of billions, but it is really good to the deserving film. We will be supporting the Best International Feature and other categories na eligible. So we will be getting that from the national government. Okay, the last part of Film Awards and Recognition ay yung Silver Screen Success Program. Aayusin natin yung annual Luna Awards. The hope is, it will become the country's most prominent award-winning body. I mean, we have to change all the rules and all of that. So, and number 2, we are mandated to financially incentivize globally recognized Filipino cinematic winners. You know how it is when a sportsman wins the Olympics. May binibigay ang gobyerno. Okay, a particular winner somewhere, bibigyan ng gobyerno. It will happen sa atin this year. Okay? We have a criteria kung sino ang eligible, but it is a sizable amount then. So we are hoping to inspire more work and more and better films. Yun po, yung 2 major programs namin, pasensya na kung medyo napahaba. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat ulit at humingi ng tulong ninyo dahil we can only work on this together. In fact, I wanted to announce that last November, we actually have a guild summit. Counter to what Sir Butch said, all the guilds are actually now united. Guys, thank you. Mahaba pa yung proseso at journey natin. So, hihingi ako ng tulong at I'm sure this year will be a good year for all of us. Maraming salamat guys at mabuhay ang Pilipino.